Good morning to all of you. Okay, side heading sum of n terms in AP. What is the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression lo sum of n terms ante enti? Listen carefully please. Here a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d and so on, these are the terms in arithmetic progression. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 into d, this is nth term. If we want to add all these terms, then we get this is nothing but sum of n terms. If you add all these numbers, then we get a sum of n terms. So what is the formula for sum of n terms of arithmetic progression? I want to give a simple example to understand this concept. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 అనే ఒక నెంబర్ ఒక తీసుకుందాం. లేదా 14, 17, let it be 17. 2, 5, 8, 11, 13, 14, 17. This is an arithmetic progression because the common difference is 3. Then what is sum of all these 6 terms? What is sum of all these 6 terms? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో ది సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ సెకండ్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ బట్ 1 అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఈ చివరిది యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత ఉంటుందో 2 ఈ పక్క సెకండ్ది యాడ్ చేస్తే కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ 2 plus 17, 19, the sum of these two 19, sum of these two 19. So how many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there. What is each pair value? 19. So what is the answer for this question? 57. So I want to convert this as a formula. 3 pairs ante ardham enti? 3 pairs ante ardham enti? 6 terms are there. So I want to write it as 6 by 2. 3 pairs ante 6 by 2. What is 19? First term plus last term. First term plus last term. First term plus last term. So this is the formula. So what is sum of n terms formula in arithmetic progression ante? Here n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula. Number of terms by 2 gives pairs. First term plus last term gives each pair value, then that gives a sum of n terms. So what is the formula for sum of n terms of arithmetic progression? N by 2 into a plus l. What is a? First term. L last term. Okay. Next one. So there actually this is not only the formula. I want to convert this into another formula. See carefully here. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So n by 2 into a plus l, where a is first term. What is l? L is nothing but the last term. Last term ante ardham enti? Nth term ani. Last term ante ardhamu nth term. What is the formula for nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. If you simplify this, this can be written as n by 2 into a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the another formula for sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. This is one more formula for sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ఇది ఎప్పుడు ఉపయోగించాలి? When we use this formula, if common difference and first terms are known. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ తెలిస్తే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉపయోగించారు. సో ఆల్రెడీ వన్ ఫార్ములా I have given. Previous formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l is one formula. This is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here sometimes the question will be like this. There are 5 terms or 7 terms. In these 7 terms, the middle term is nothing but some let it be 16. Middle term is 16. What is sum of all these terms in arithmetic progression? If all the terms are in AP, then and the middle term is given as 16, then what is sum of all the terms? Here a is not known, d is not known, even last term is also not known. Then how to find sum of n terms? Listen carefully. There is an advantage in arithmetic progression if odd number of terms are there. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, let it be 14. What is sum of these two? 16. What is sum of these two? 16. If only one middle term is there, into 2 is also 16. That means 2 times middle term is always equal to first term plus last term. Middle term ni 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ప్లస్ లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఇన్ ది ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఎల్ ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు మనం 2 times middle term. So there is one more formula for this, that is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into, in the place of a plus l I want to write 2 times middle term, 2 times middle term. This is one more formula for a sum of n terms. ఇది ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయాలి? If odd number of terms and middle term given, odd number of terms ఇచ్చి అందులో middle term ఇచ్చి sum of n terms అడిగితే ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఇది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి? First and last are known. When we use this formula, common difference and first term are known. When we use this formula, middle term value is given. Middle term value is given. So write this formula and we go to write some more important points. After that we solve the questions related to sum of n terms. Listen, I want to give one more formula for sum of n terms. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on. What is sum of n terms given? Sum of n terms. According to the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This can be written as n by 2 into 2a, means 2 2's 4 plus n minus 1 into, what is the common difference here? 3. This can be written as 1 by 2 into n into 4 plus 3n minus 3. This can be written as 1 by 2 into n into 4, 4n, or otherwise what is 4 minus 3? 1. 1 into n plus 3 into n square, 3n square. So this is nothing but Sn is equal to 3 by 2 n square plus 3 by 2 n. I want to consider this constant, not 3 by 2, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 n. I want to consider this as p and this constant as q. Therefore the general formula for sum of n terms is nothing but pn square plus q, pn square plus q. Okay. So general ga sum of n terms ఏ ఫార్మాట్లో ఉంటుంది అంటే pn square plus qn. ఇదే మీకు tn కూడా ఇచ్చాను, గుర్తుందో లేదో లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో pn plus q అని చెప్పాను. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది n టర్మ్స్లో n స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ n టర్మ్ ఉంటే nth టర్మ్లో n టర్మ్ అండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంటాయి, n టర్మ్ అండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ nth టర్మ్ అండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ n టర్మ్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ n టర్మ్స్? pn స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ qn. వాట్ ఈస్ p అండ్ q? వాట్ ఈస్ p అండ్ q హియర్? దే ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్. అయితే ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను, ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. In the case of this one, listen carefully, this example and this one. What is p here? 3 by 2. What is common difference? 3. Common difference is 3. That means p is always d by 2. P is always d by 2. That means what is d? 2p. This means what is the d value? 2 times of p. అంటే ఈ pని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే దీనికి కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ఈ ఫస్ట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ n స్క్వేర్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే? సో ఇది ఫార్ములా రాసుకోండి, దీని మీద క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా ఇస్తారో చెప్తాను. Sum of n terms formula is Pn square plus Qn. Or next, write a question based on this. If sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is 3n square plus 7n, then find fifth term. Then find fifth term of this in this progression. Fifth term in this progression. If Sn is equal to 3n square plus 7n is the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression, then find fifth term. Then find a fifth term. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, యాక్చువల్గా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ డైరెక్ట్గా సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే కొంచెం రాసుకోవాలి. S1, వాట్ ఈజ్ S1? ఐ వాంట్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ టూ టైప్స్. S1 అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? S1 అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ S1? సమ్ ఆఫ్ వన్ టర్మ్. Sum of one term is nothing but first term itself. First term itself. Put n is equal to 1. What we get here? 3 plus 7, 10. So T1 is equal to 10. Next, what is the meaning of S2? Sum of first two terms. Sum of first two terms. Nothing but T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2. Put S is equal to n is equal to 2. 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 plus 2 into 7, 14, which is equal to 26. So T1 plus T2 is equal to 26. T1 plus T2 is equal to 26. T1 is equal to 10. Then what is T2? దీంట్లోంచి ఇది తీసేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే T1 plus T2లో T1 తీసేస్తే T2. So 26 minus 10. Then what we get here? 16. So second term is 16. What is first term? 10. Second term 16. What is the common difference here? 6. This is the way of finding common difference. Okay. నేనేమంటా అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా ఇందాకేం చెప్పాను, వాట్ ఈస్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్? 2 times of first coefficient, n square coefficient gives the common difference. So this is in the form of Sn is equal to Pn square plus Qn. Then common difference is 2p, nothing but 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. And what is the first term? First term itself is nothing but S1. First term is nothing but S1. S1 is nothing but T1, 3 plus 7, which is equal to 10. First term telsu, common difference telsu. What is fifth term of a progression? A plus 4D. What is A? 10. 4D means 4 into common difference is equal to 6. So 24 plus 10. So answer is 34. చూడండి, ఈ మెథడ్ ఈజీగా ఉందా, ఈ మెథడ్ ఈజీగా ఉందా? ఓకేనా? యా. సమ్ ఆఫ్ n టర్మ్స్ ఇచ్చి పలానా ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ సిక్స్త్ టర్మ్ కనుక్కోమని చెప్తారు. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. If Sn is equal to 2n square minus 3n, find the sum of 15 terms. It's very easy question. Sum of 15 terms. Just to put n is equal to 15, that's enough. Put n is equal to 15. So 2 into n square, 15 square minus 3 into 15 is the answer. Sum of n terms formula, sum of 15. Just take 15 common, then what we get here? 15 తీసేస్తే 15 to 30 minus 3. So the answer is nothing but 15 into 27. 15 20 is 300, 15 sevens. What is 15 sevens? 105. So what we get here? 405. Next 5, 8, 11, and so on, find sum of 10 terms. Next question 5, 8, 11 and so on, find a sum of 10 terms. Which formula is applicable for this to get the answer? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because common difference is known, first term is also known. 10 by 2 into, because they want 10 terms, sum of 10 terms, 2a 10, 10 minus 1 9 into d, common difference is 3. This is nothing but 5 into, this is 9 3 is 27 plus 10 37. The answer is 185. Okay. Next one. Please. I want to give a question here. Find sum of 7 terms in AP whose middle term is 20. Find sum of 7 terms in arithmetic progression whose middle term is 20. So, if middle term is given, what is the formula for sum of 7 terms? N by 2 into 2 times middle term. So, 7 by 2 into 2 times middle term is 20. 2 to cancel. So, answer is 140. Next. 11, 15, 19, and so on, 163. Find a sum of all these terms. Find a sum of all these terms. Here, to find the sum of these terms, first we have to know. Here first term and last terms are known. So, we have to find how many terms are there in this. So, we have to find first n. How many terms are there? What is the formula to find the number of terms in arithmetic progression? B minus A by D plus 1. Last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. Then what we get here? 163 minus 11 by common difference is 4 plus 1. What we get here? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 5, 1 by 4 plus 1. How many terms are there in this? Yeah. 4 3 is 12, 32, 4 8 is 32. How many terms are there in this? 39. So, if 39 terms are there, what is the sum of all these terms? Find the sum of all these terms. So, what is the formula here? Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. What is first term plus last term? 174. 174. 2 ones 2 6 sorry 2 8 16, 2 sevens 14. So, answer is nothing but 39 into 87. Okay. So, the answer is 39 into 87. Actually ga ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తే మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ డబుల్ డిజిట్ రావాలి. ఆప్షన్స్ ఒకవేళ ఆప్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆప్షన్స్లో యూనిట్స్ ప్లేస్ అది చెక్ చేసుకొని ఆన్సర్ పెట్టేయాలి, కానీ మొత్తం ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చేయకూడదు. డోంట్ మల్టిప్లై టోటల్లీ ప్లేస్. ఓకేనా? How to multiply a 2-digit number with one more 2-digit number easily? ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు మీరు? దీన్ని 1 cross 1 మెథడ్ అంటాం. 1 cross 1 మెథడ్ ఏంటి? 1 cross 1 మెథడ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ 1 మీన్స్ వర్టికల్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, next cross multiplication, next again vertical multiplication. 7 9s are 63. 3 రాసేయండి, sorry please. 7 9s are 63. You have to write 3. 6 in hand. Next cross, ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి. 9 8s ఎంత? 72. ఇది 21. 72 + 21 93. మన దగ్గర ఎంత ఉంది? 6 99. మళ్ళీ 9 ఉంది మన దగ్గర. 8 3s 24. 24 + 9 33. సో ది ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 3393. కాకపోతే ఇది చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా చేయాలి. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈజ్ క్రూషియల్. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేసి యాడ్ చేసే దగ్గర కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు చాలామంది. ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా ఉంటే ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు సాల్వ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇలా చూడండి, 64 × 52 మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఉందనుకోండి. ఎంత ఫాస్ట్గా చేయొచ్చు అంటే 4 2s 8, 20 + 12 32, 2 రాస్తాం, 3 ఇన్ హ్యాండ్, 30 + 3 33, డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటే సో టేబుల్స్ అది మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ 2-digit నెంబర్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ అయితే. రైట్, వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్. What is sum of all multiples of 5 between 17, 195? Find sum of all multiples of 5 between 17, 195. ఈ రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఉండే 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ సమ్ ఎంత? How to find sum of all multiples of 5 between these two? Here, what is the first multiple of 5 after this? 20. Very good. What is the last multiple of 5? 190. A తెలుసు, L తెలుసు, A and L. ఇంకేం కనుక్కోవాలి? N. D అవసరం లేదు. A and L తెలిస్తే n/2 × A + L చేసేయచ్చు కదా, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది టర్మ్స్. ఇంకేం కనుక్కోవాలి మనం? N కనుక్కోవాలి. వాట్ ఈజ్ N ఫార్ములా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ B? 190 - 20 what is the common difference? 5 + 1. ఎందుకు 5? They want 5 multiples. So common difference is 5. So this is 170/5 + 1. 5 3s 15, 20, 5 4s. ఎంత వస్తుంది? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 35. మీకు ఇంకొక మెథడ్ కూడా చెప్పాను, డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ ఫైండింగ్ ది n వాల్యూ. ఏం చెప్పాను? 1 to 17 ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1 to 195 ఎన్ని 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 5తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే 5 3s 15, 5 9s 45 అంటే ఎంత? 39. 39 అంటే ఇది తీసుకోకూడదు, బిట్వీన్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? 38. ఈ మధ్యలో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 3 ఉంటాయి. 38 - 3 35. So n is equal to 35. If n is equal to 35, what is sum of 35 terms? n/2 into A plus L, 20 + 190. Okay, 210. So this is nothing but 35 into 210/2. 2 1s 2 105s. That is the answer. What is 35 5s? 175. 35 1s 35 plus 10 45 50 52. Correct? I think it is wrong. Just a minute. 105 into 35. 35 5s 175. 5 7 కూడా రాయాలి బికాస్ 0 1 మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. 35 1s 35 plus 1 36. 3675 is the correct answer. 3 ఫార్ములా మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చాయా? n/2 into A plus 1 మీద చెప్పాను. n/2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, pn square plus qn మోడల్లో చెప్పాను. మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఇస్తే ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో చెప్పాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్ హెడింగ్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. because natural numbers are also in arithmetic progression. Okay. So, what are natural numbers and what about the concepts related to natural numbers? Some tarvata discuss chestam. What are natural numbers? They are also called counting numbers. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are called the natural numbers. Okay, already you know number system. Number system తెలుసు కాబట్టి మీకు ఇక్కడ కొన్ని అడుగుతాను, నాకు చెప్పండి. వాట్ ఆర్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్? ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 onwards. ఓకే, whole numbers is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, whole numbers. To this set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, I want to include -1, -2 and so on. Then what they are called? They are called integers, denoted by Z. They are denoted by Z. Okay. To this set of integers, -2, -1 and so on, 0, I want to include 1 by 2, 0.32 like that. Then what we get here? What is the union of all these numbers? Rational numbers. Very good. It denoted by Q. Denoted by Q. What is the rational number? Any number in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Any number in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Is 7 rational number? Yes, because it can be written as a 7 by 1. Is 0.3 bar rational number? Is it a rational number? Yes, it is also a rational number. This can be written as 1 by 3. So, decimals, is 0.24 rational number? Yes, this is also rational number because this can be written as 24 by 100. So, rational numbers lo ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అంటే not only integers or negative integers, fractions ఉంటాయి, decimals ఉంటాయి, even continuous decimals also there in that. Is √2 rational number? No. Is pi rational number? Pi is not rational place. Pi generally we can write it as 22 by 7, but it is not exactly 22 by 7. It is approximately 22 by 7. Pi is an irrational number. What about E? E is also an irrational number. So, what is an irrational number? It is denoted by Q complement. Irrational number is nothing but which is not rational. Okay. Actually, the definition of irrational number is non-recurring, non-ending decimal is called a irrational number. Non-recurring, non-ending. For example, √2 is there. What is the value of √2? 1.414 and so on. How many digits are there after decimal? Infinite digits. Continuation, repetition ఏమన్నా ఉందా అంటే ఏమీ ఉండదు. So, √2, pi, E, cube root of 7, these are all irrational numbers. What is union of these rational and irrational numbers? What is Q union, Q complement called? They are called real numbers. They are called real numbers. ఇవన్నీ కలిపితే వీటిని ఏమంటాము? రియల్ నెంబర్స్ అని అంటాం. రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఈజ్ డినోటెడ్ బై R. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి దాకా ఉంటాయి రియల్ నెంబర్స్? ఫ్రమ్ -infinity to +infinity. ఎవ్రీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఎ రియల్ నెంబర్. ఇందులో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? ఇంటీజర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, డెసిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్, ఎవ్రీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ అ రియల్ నెంబర్. వాట్ ఈజ్ R కాంప్లిమెంట్ కాల్డ్? రియల్ నెంబర్ కాన్ నెంబర్స్ని ఏమంటాం? ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. Then what is R union, R complement called? Complex numbers. They are called complex numbers. So, this is about basic numbers, categorizing the numbers. అయితే మనం న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ గురించి మాత్రమే మనం ఇప్పుడు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Here what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n? This is called sum of natural numbers. This is called a sum of natural numbers because they are in arithmetic progression. Natural numbers always in arithmetic progression. What is the common difference? 1. So therefore, this is denoted by sigma n. What is sum of natural numbers formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sari formula ekkadi nunchi vachindi? Arithmetic progression nunchi vachindi. General formula enti? Arithmetic progression lo n by 2 into a plus l. ఇదిగోండి n by 2 into ఇది a ఇది l. Okay na? So because these are in arithmetic progression, the formula is n by 2 into a plus l. What about 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square? Actually this is denoted by sigma n square. Are these numbers in arithmetic progression? No. ఈ స్క్వేర్స్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్లో ఉంటాయా అంటే ఉండవు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 1 స్క్వేర్ 2 స్క్వేర్ 3 స్క్వేర్ నాట్ ఇన్ అర్థమెటిక్ progression. 1 2 3 4 arithmetic progression. 1 square 2 square not in arithmetic progression. Then what is the formula for this one? The formula is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of squares of n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then what is sum of cubes of n natural numbers? What is sum of cubes of n natural numbers? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to how much? The formula is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Actually these two are not in arithmetic progression. If arithmetic progression kaadu but related to natural numbers. Next, what is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on n terms written. Here these are in arithmetic progression whose common difference is 2. Okay, these are called odd natural numbers. These are called odd natural numbers. What is sum of n odd natural numbers? The formula is nothing but n square. The formula is n square. Chala simple. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి, ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 4 2 స్క్వేర్. ఈ మూడు యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 9 3 స్క్వేర్. 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 16 అంటే 4 స్క్వేర్. సో జనరల్లీ ది ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ n స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on n terms. So what is sum of n even natural numbers? The sum of n even natural numbers formula is nothing but n into n plus 1. So these are 5 important formulae related to natural numbers. Here the first one, fourth one and fifth one, these are in arithmetic progression. The remaining two are not in arithmetic progression. Okay. Then what about the sums problems related to natural numbers? Actually ga ipudu progressions ane topic not only related to algebra part, it is related to number system also. Number system kuda ఇవి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? యా, ఇది రాసేసారా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రాసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 1. వాట్ ఈజ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ 100 న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్? సమ్ ఆఫ్ 100 న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్. What is sum of first 100 natural numbers? First 100. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Nothing but 100 into 101 by 2. What is the answer? Yeah, very good. The answer is 5050. The answer is 5050. Next, second one. What is 101 plus 102 plus and so on 150 is equal to how much? Or let it be 200. I want to make 200 to get the answer easily. What is sum of the numbers from 101 to 200? Here this question can be solved in two ways. Number 1, two methods are there to solve this question. Number 1, first term and last term are known. and number of terms are known. How many terms are there from 101 to 200? 101 నుంచి 200 దాకా ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే 100 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ సమ్? Sum is nothing but n by 2 into a plus l according to arithmetic progression. So 100 by 2 into a, first term is 101, last term is 200. So this is nothing but 100 by 2 or nothing but 50 into 301. So what do we get here? 15050 is the answer for this question. Because they are in arithmetic progression, the common difference is 1. So the formula is n by 2 into a plus l. Is there any other method of getting the answer for this type of question? Yeah, very good, very good. So this can be written as 101 plus 102 plus and so on 200 can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to 200 minus sum of 200 terms minus sum of first 100 terms. మొత్తం 200 terms లో నుంచి first 100 తీసేస్తే remaining are there. So therefore this is again the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, 200 into 201 by 2. Here sum of 100 natural numbers nothing but 100 into 101 by 2. 100 into 101 by 2. Then what we get here? Already you know this is nothing but 5050. Here 2 ones 200s cancel. This is 20100. Then what is the answer? The answer is 15050. So this question can be solved in two different ways. Okay. Next question. What is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on up to 20 square? What is sum of squares of 20 natural numbers? What is sum of squares of 20 natural numbers? The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So 20 into 21 into 41 by 6. Put n is equal to 20. Okay. So if you cancel, 3 2's cancel, 3 7's cancel, 2 1's 2 10's cancel. 7 into 4 41. 2870 is the answer. 2870. Okay. For example, a question is given like this: 21 square plus 22 square plus and so on 30 square is equal to how much? Are these terms in arithmetic progression? No. Then how to solve this question? This can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 30 square minus 1 square plus 2 square up to 20 square. Sum of squares of 30 natural numbers minus sum of squares of 20 natural numbers. Then what we get here? Applying the same formula, 30 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus. Here this is already known, the formula is the value is nothing but 2870. Okay, 6 ones 6 5's cancel, 30. What is 61 into 31? 1918 into 5 minus 2870. This is 5, 45. Okay. 44 9455 minus 2870 is the answer. So what we get here? 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 minus 7 is 8. Okay, 3 minus is nothing but 5 again. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Is it right? 6585. Okay. Next one. What is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus 10 cube? What is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on 10 cube? This can be written as n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 10 square is 100 into 121 by 4. 4 ones are 425's cancel. 25 ones are 25, 25 2s 50 plus 2 52. 25 ones ఎంత వస్తుంది 3025. Sum of cubes of 10 natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Next one. For example, if a question is given like this, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on plus 19 square is equal to how much? If 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square given, we can get the formula. We have formula n into n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1 by 6. But what about the formula related to 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, sum of squares of odd natural numbers? దీనికి కూడా ఫార్ములా క్రియేట్ చేసి రాయొచ్చు కానీ నాట్ నెసరీ. యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ది మెథడ్. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పగలరా? దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్, దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటే చూడండి, 1 square is there. I want to add 2 square. Okay. 3 square is there. I want to add 4 square. 5 square is there. I want to add 6 square. And so on. 19 square is there. I want to add 20 square. 20 square. So what are the terms added? I have to subtract the same numbers. ఏమేమి యాడ్ చేశానో అవి తీసేద్దాం. చెప్పండి ఏమేమి యాడ్ చేశాను? 2 square, 4 square, 6 square and so on up to 20 square added. So I want to subtract the same numbers. Then there is a formula here, 1 square to 20 square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, 20 into 21 into 41 by 6. Already the value is known as 2870 minus. How to solve this question? Here in this case I want to take 2 square common place. Then what we get? This becomes 1 square. Yeah, very good. 2 square, 3 square up to 10 square. If we take 2 square common, it becomes a sum of squares of natural numbers again. This is nothing but 4 into, what is sum of squares of 10 natural numbers? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. So this is nothing but 2870, already you know. 2870 minus 3 2s, 3 7s, 2 1s, 2 2s cancel. Then what we get here? 2 into 7, 14 into 11, 154, 154 Is it right? 2 into this is 14 into 11, what we get here? 451, 154. Then what is the answer for this question, please? I think the answer is 1330. Is it right? What is 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square minus 6 square plus and so on, 19 square minus 20 square? If this type of question given, then actually it's a very easy question. Very easy question. How to solve this one? Yeah, very good. If we separate like this, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and so on up to 19 square, yeah, very good, minus 2 square plus 4 square plus and so on plus 20 square separated. Then already this value is known 1330 previously solved. Then again they take 2 square common, 1 square to 10 square. 1 square to 10 square, if you add what we get here, I think it is 130, 385 I think so. Previously, what is this value here? This is nothing but 70, 20. 1540 is 4 times of this. Yeah, actually, what is this value? I want this value only. This value into 4 is 1540. If this is divided by 4, this is nothing but 385. So, therefore, this value is 385. Or you can use 1540 totally. Yeah. So, therefore, if you write 1540, then what we get here? 1540. Then what we get here? The answer is minus 210. Okay. If you know the values, please. Otherwise, you have to solve again totally. If this value is known, if you by heart this value 1330, then the problem becomes easy. Otherwise, you have to solve the total question. But I want to give one more method of getting the answer directly, please, for this type of question. What is 1 square minus 2 square? It is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. Tell me please, what is a minus b? 1 minus 2. What is a plus b? 1 plus 2. Right, very good. Then how to write 3 square minus 4 square? 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 4. Nice, very good. Similarly, 5 square minus 6 square, 5 minus 6 into 5 plus 6 and so on and so on. What is the last one? 19 minus 20 into 19 plus 20. Is it right? Then here, what is this value? 1 minus 2? Minus 1. This one? Minus 1. Here? Minus 1. Here? Minus 1. Take minus 1 common. Then what we get? 1 plus 2. I don't want to write 3. I want to write 1 plus 2. Next? 3 plus 4. 5 plus 6. 19 plus 20. What is this? Sum of n natural numbers. What is sum of n natural numbers formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So, minus 1 into 20 into 21 by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens cancel. What we get is the answer? The answer is nothing but minus 210. So, see the two methods. Okay. If alternate positive negative given, this is the method of getting the answer, please. Next. Okay. Yeah. Next, write the question. Find the sum of first 50 odd natural numbers. Find the sum of first 50 odd natural numbers or n terms. Write it as 50 terms. Find the sum of n odd 50 odd natural numbers. Yeah. What is the formula for this one? N square. So, the answer is 50 square, which is equal to 2500. Very simple question. Similarly, write this question. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on. Find the sum of all even natural numbers below 100. Find the sum of all even natural numbers below 100. What is the meaning of below 100? 100 is not included. Very good. Then what is the last term? 98. So, you have to solve. You have to add up to 98. So, then what is the answer for this question? How many terms are there totally? Yeah. See, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to 98, how many terms are there? 49 డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చుమ్మా. చూడండి ఒకసారి, 2 1s 2 2s 2 49s. So how many are there? 49 terms are there. If 49 terms, 49 even natural numbers are there, then what is the formula? Sum of even natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1. How many are there? 49 are there. 49 into 50. So the answer is 2450. Sum of even natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1. 2450. Okay. So I want to stop here. This is up to sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. ఈ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఎందుకు చెప్పానంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్, కాబట్టి దీంట్లోనే పార్ట్గా చెప్పేశాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్లో వి గో టు అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ అండ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. అవన్నీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
कर्मयोगी एकेडमी राजधानी थिएटर प्रकना दिलसुखनगर हैदराबाद. कांटेक्ट 9100053001 మరియు 9100025001.